Congratulations. Niya congratulations po no ugma akong pag-umangkon mo graduate sab elementary no si Mary Agnes Raniwa no. So litsunan siguro ning archibal. Congratulations. So gikabsa na gyud ta og oras mga higala ato na lang pasalamatan ang atong mga resource persons karong gabi una ang Panglao PNP. Salamat kayo nga atong na interview kaganina. Unya pasalamatan po nato ang atong mga alagad field reporters. Salamat po kayo sa atong mga texters, caller ug uban pang mga nag-comment sa atong Facebook live, mga viewers nato sa atong Facebook live ug lakip na mga nagpaminaw pinaagi sa radio ug tagsa-tagsa ka mga sakyanan. Sanga na lang sa kinatibuk ang pwersa sa Tagbilaran by Night uban sa itong mga kaubang anchors nga sila si Ern Pahayahay, Leonard Simbit ug si Allen Doydora. Kini na lang inyong alagad sa kanginan si Tonton Aniskal mo yung kaninyo hantod ugma. Susamang takna ug susamang istasyon. God bless naton tanan.
Sa TVN sila natabangan. Pagkayot Tagbilaran by night. Pagkayot Tagbilaran by night. Tagbilaran by night. Tagbilaran by night.
Ladies and gentlemen, we now conclude another day of broadcasting activities. You have been listening to DYRD AM, a commercial broadcast station, a sister enterprise of the Bohol Chronicle, owned and operated by Chronicle Broadcasting Corporation, as authorized by the National Telecommunications Commission, Department of Transportation and Communications. DYRD AM operates daily from 5 o'clock in the morning to 11 o'clock in the evening on 1161 kilohertz on the AM band, with a power of 5,000 watts. The studio and transmitter are located at the Bohol Chronicle building along B. Inting Street, Tagbilaran City, Philippines. DYRD AM is operated and maintained by the following personnel duly licensed by the National Telecommunications Commission: Phil Abandula, Jerry Cajes, Nestor Maglajos, Alex Igan, Gualberto Tulog, all first-class radio telephone operator. DYRD AM is now signing off.